Okay guys, it's Tuesday and finally Cannes is over. Yesterday was editing all day long, actually all night long. We went in bed around 4 in the morning. We still had some bit of editing to do this morning, but I guess most of it is done. We have an export. Probably, maybe they'll have to go back to it once or twice for a bit of tweak, but we should have a proper show. It's a 45-minute show with compilation of a lot of things, press conference, interviews. Julien has been over the different trailers, the different movies, explaining them all, and you had even the fireworks, which was a good surprise on Sunday night. No one was expecting this. That was delightful. Now it's Tuesday once again. It's about 2 p.m. I'm going to Jean-Claude because he might have some work for me, and then I'll start driving home.
Des gens s'indigner, réveiller les consciences, c'est que le monde s'enrichit de toutes nos différences. J'ai vu la beauté du monde qu'on nous cache à la télé, j'ai vu des cloisons abattues et des murs démantelés, j'ai vu l'amour, la culture et la solidarité, enfin j'ai posé mon regard.
So, that's it for the meeting with Jean-Claude, and Delia and her husband. Went well, and now it's up to me to make a good job to get the job. Monaco is a lot of stairs, huh? Good for your health. Okay, we'll see about that. This is like the Formula 1 track of Monaco. Look at that. We're going through the It's pretty steep for a curve. You think they're going through with very high speed cars. It's quite impressive. This is a fancy tunnel. Really? One from Monaco, clean, bright. And now this is the Italian tunnel. So no lights. Here we are in Switzerland. It's 8 p.m. and the driving was good, roughly good, yes. So voilà.
C'est pourri.
Oh, mais voilà une jeune femme ravissante qui s'approche.
Vous avez des super chaussures.
Ah oui, c'est moi qui les cultive dans mon potager.
And it's 10 p.m. now. We might have some rain actually. Woohoo! Whoa, ho, ho. That's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. Wow, that was as brutal as short but thunderstorm like I've never seen before. Something like I couldn't see in front of me, like yee! But I guess we're out of it now, which is good. Oh yeah, there's still some lighting out there, but we're out, and I still have like 200 kilometers to go, and then home. I think I'll stop vlogging for now. Maybe just one word when I get home. Bye bye guys. L'avantage du tunnel, c'est qu'il ne pleut pas.